Hey you, sitting at your computer, want to make $500? You can do it just by sitting at your computer. Imagine, all you have to do is type names into your computer. You can make up to $400 a day. You can make up to $500 a day. I mean, how cool is that? You're only going to get this opportunity once. As you can see, typing one page of names on this spreadsheet gets you $20. 5 pages got you $80. And typing 20 pages got you a massive $400. You know, the awesome part here is that there are no restrictions. You can do as much as you want or as little as you want. It doesn't matter. You can do it on your phone, you can do it on your computer, you can do it on your iPad, you can do it on your friend's iPad. It doesn't matter. Just grab something and start typing. Please make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Our sign-up process is a little bit difficult and we don't want to see you miss out on anything. Before we go any farther, welcome to our channel. We are going to teach you the most up-to-date money-making online ideas, tricks, and tips. We are so happy to have you here. Don't forget to do all 3 things. Hit that notification bell, push the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you will always stay in the loop and be notified when we have a new video. And of course, don't forget to leave a comment below. Now, let's get back to the video. Okay, look at this website's calculator. We can estimate how much money you're going to make from this opportunity by using it. Pay attention to the rate per word. This is the amount of money you can get paid for the type of word that we type. In this case, 0.10 in US dollars, and 2 pages is usually around 700 words. For example, here's the project name. It's on page number 1 in this type. This project's name is over here on page number 2, and this one here is on number 3. On all of these pages, you get paid simply by inputting the names. Now let me show you how to get paid $15 for writing 300 words. It's pretty easy. See as I scroll down here. There is a list of 300 names, meaning that you can earn $15. All you simply need to do is type the names on this website. And this is such an easy and great way to make money. Think about this. We can do 25 pages per day at $15 per page, which means you can easily earn $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9,000 by day just by typing names on websites. You don't have to stop at 20 pages. You can do 25 pages. You can do 30 pages. The sky is the limit. It is up to you. First, come on over and check out this website here. The opportunity is free here to earn money online at home without investing. You don't need investments or any type of money to get yourself started. When you scroll down, you can see that they offer different opportunities. There is all kinds of jobs: freelance, language, proofreading, working from home, online paid surveys. There are so many jobs that you can do anytime you want, today, tomorrow, whenever. But here, let me show you this video. We're going to focus on one thing: the online typing jobs. We're going to do this because it's one of the absolute simplest things that you can do for this website and make money quickly. It requires no experience, no skill. All it requires is you and a computer. Hey, come here, take a look at this. You can earn $13,500 all the way up to $30,000 per year. You choose your salary. Do as much as you want. Do as little as you want. Now, as far as the joining fees go, registration is always free. There's nothing hidden about that. There's no hidden cards. There's no hidden terms. Nothing. And we're never going to ask you for any type of investments. This opportunity to make money is free wherever you are in the world. Your salary level will depend on your experience, but you can start at entry level. No big deal. You get paid different amounts of bricks ranging from beginners all the way up to experts. See, look here. Even as a complete entry-level beginner, first day, you actually still get paid, just not at the expert level. But you know, before we go any farther, I asked you to do the big 3 earlier. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for this channel. If you like what we're doing, if you like what you're seeing, and if you like this video, give us those 3. And always, please leave us a comment. Let us know how we're doing. We absolutely would love to hear what you say and interact with you. And now, let's get back and learn how we're going to make some money. Here's the first bonus tip. Okay, we're going to visit rateatype.com. With this website, we can see that you can earn a better rate simply by putting in more names. Here you can take a free typing test. After you take the typing test, click on the yellow icon and you'll be taken to a page where you can start typing on your phone or computer. It's that easy. Try taking the speed typing exam because the website will give you a typing certificate. The certificate is free, and by submitting it, it will raise your income and earning rates per page. For example, if you want to earn $15 for everything you type on this page on this website, make sure you get the certificate and upload it. This is a great secret to have, and being completely new to this and starting on day one with that certificate, you will integrate much quicker, be accepted much faster, and have access to much better jobs and unlimited opportunities. And this is just a reminder, with all that being said, just typing names on your computer will earn you $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800 a day. The sky is the limit. It's important to keep your eye on the screen so you know exactly what you're typing. So take a moment now to earn that certificate and complete the application on our channel. Now, when you start typing on the website, it's going to give you a tally of how fast you're typing and how many words per minute you actually type and your accuracy, including whether you have any spelling errors or typing errors or any other problems. Take a look over here and you will see that it is going to ask for your accuracy to be between 98 and 99%. The higher the accuracy, the more money you make. And remember, by taking the typing test and obtaining the certificate, you demonstrate in good faith both your typing speed and accuracy, which will quickly increase your payout rate once you submit it. And hey, you know what? If your accuracy is not that great, it's less than 98%, don't even worry about it. You can go back online and you can go to Reddit, type calm, and take the typing test for free until you see your accuracy increase. You can take this test as many times as you like, make your accuracy increase, submit your best result. Once you have that satisfactory result and you have that typing certificate, you can sign up for the free account by scrolling down on this link right here. You can make your free account by doing the usual, put in your name, email address, and password. Make sure you click on the yellow sign up button after agreeing to the terms and conditions and you're going to be well on your way. When you scroll down and click on the certificate, you're going to see that it's been awarded to you, to your name, in English, and it'll even show you the datatype.com signature to verify that it's real. And as I said before, this certificate is quite beneficial to you. You will be paid at a higher rate, a much higher rate, and you can print the certificate to keep for yourself. But hey, if you don't have a computer with you and you're doing this on your phone, no problem. You can still have the certificate. All you have to do is see the image as a PDF and save it to your phone. Now that you have your certificate in hand, let's head over to talentliar.com so you can apply for the job. Once you get to the bottom of the website, click the red button. It says apply now and it is going to take you to where you can start applying for jobs. All you have to do then is simply scroll down to see what's available and what you would like to participate in. Choose any of the applications. After that, proceed to this page where you can fill out the online application for the work at home jobs. This is easy, right? Click on the red link right here. Now scroll down and look for where to fill in the details so you can apply and work. If you can't find the registration page, something's gone wrong here. Scroll back in the video a little bit and watch it again. Please make sure to bookmark it too in case you need it for the future. Okay, now that we're through the registration page, as you scroll down you see that you're going to be putting in your personal information. The first thing you're going to have to do is accept their privacy policy. And then it's typical information. Put in your first and last names, your email address, phone numbers, and country you live in, and then click the continue arrow. This website accepts people from all over the world, any country that you can think of. India, the United States, Mexico, Canada, Germany, Russia, it doesn't matter, any nation. Now, moving on to the next stage, which is all about personal information. It's very important that you do this section right and don't get anything wrong. Now we're moving on to the job titles section. Type in this job title exactly as you see it on the screen and what time is ideal for you to work. By clicking on the down arrow, you will see the work times available. We recommend you choose the all-day option. It will maximize your search results and give you the most opportunity to make money here online. We're getting close to the end here. The next screen, you're going to choose your best method for getting paid, whether it's PayPal, Pioneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. You choose what's best for you. On the last screen, you're just going to choose your professional status. Once you've completed everything, just click that yes button. Accept the terms and conditions, and don't forget your signature. Put your full name in the signature block, click the I'm not a robot button, and hit the submit button. Once you've been accepted, you can start receiving type name jobs such as this one where you earn $15, $30, $45 just for doing pages of work. You earn money for every single page that you type. Just make sure you submit your job on time to keep receiving more job offers. That's all there is to it. Wasn't that easy? Hey, did you like this content? Was this a good video? Was this helpful to you? Do us a favor. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that bell button. You want to see all the videos we have coming in the future. If you have any questions, please comment below. Let us know. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.